Are you planning to remodel or renovate your kitchen? Things can get a bit overwhelming with the endless layouts, styles, features, materials, and other details that come with designing a kitchen that you'll love to cook in and entertain from. We cut through all the noise to design the kitchen you've always wanted, from cabinets to lighting and everything in between. For a free kitchen design consultation, call us now. Our kitchen designers specialize in creating a design that will transform your kitchen from functional to mind-blowing. We visit your home, take measurements, get a feel for the space, your styles and wants, must-haves, and definitely nots. After the initial consultation, we provide an estimate on design and cabinet pricing and initial design direction. Our focus is beautiful quality kitchen design at a reasonable price. Many of our clients are looking for contemporary or modern remodels. They want to transform dark, closed-off kitchens into open, light spaces that they enjoy being in. As you've probably seen from our before and afters in this video, we aren't exaggerating when we say we can create you the kitchen of your dreams. Anyone can remodel a kitchen, but we will give you a result your friends will be envious of and you and your family will love being in. Call us now to speak to a designer and set up a free in-home consultation.